Welcome to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret, where curiosity leads us to the world's most astonishing landscapes and scientific wonders. Today, we embark on a journey to the heart of Western Australia, where nature's artistry and geological history converge in an extraordinary spectacle: wave rock. Rising from the ancient plains like a frozen crest of water, wave rock is a monumental stone wave that seems poised to crash onto the surrounding woodland. Its sweeping curves and towering height have captured the imagination of travelers, scientists, and storytellers alike. As dawn breaks over the vast wheat belt region, the landscape awakens in hues of gold and ochre. The gentle drone of the wind mixes with birdsong, and the wide expanse of sky stretches endlessly above. From a sweeping aerial view, we see wave rock unfurling along the edge of a low granite outcrop, its graceful arc stretching over 100 meters in length and soaring to a height of 15 meters. The rock's undulating surface gleams in the morning sun, with bands of gray, ochre, and black rippling across its face. But how did this geological marvel come to be? To unravel the mystery of wave rock, we must journey deep into Earth's past, to an era before humans walked these lands. The story begins more than 2.7 billion years ago, when the region was shaped by powerful volcanic activity and the relentless forces of tectonic movement. The vast granite formation, known as Hyden rock, was born from molten magma slowly cooling and crystallizing beneath the Earth's surface. Over countless millennia, the climate shifted, and rivers, rain, and wind began their slow work of erosion. The combination of chemical weathering and physical abrasion gradually sculpted the landscape, carving valleys and hollowing out the granite. In particular, a process called flared slope formation played a crucial role. As water seeped into tiny cracks and fissures, it dissolved minerals and softened the rock at the base, while the upper sections remained largely untouched. As the softer material was washed away, the harder granite above was left jutting outward, creating the wave-like overhang we see today. The dark, vertical streaks along wave rock's surface are the result of rainwater trickling down over centuries, carrying minerals and organic material that stain the rock. These striking bands enhance the illusion of motion, as if the wave is perpetually cresting in a frozen moment of geological time. Surrounding wave rock, the landscape tells more stories. Nearby, Mulca's Cave offers a glimpse into ancient Aboriginal heritage, its granite walls adorned with handprints and rock art dating back thousands of years. These markings connect us to the original custodians of the land, the Noongar people, who hold deep spiritual ties to the region and its landmarks. While glaciers never carved these rocks, and volcanoes have long since quieted, the forces of nature remain at work. Seasonal rains fill ephemeral lakes and creeks, nourishing wildflowers and native vegetation. The unique ecology of the wheat belt supports a mosaic of life: resilient eucalyptus forests, saltbush, and acacia, vibrant birds like the pink and gray gala, fairy wren, and honeyeater, and elusive marsupials such as the echidna and western gray kangaroo. Now, for those inspired to witness wave rock's grandeur firsthand, the journey is as memorable as the destination. The closest town, Hyden, is a friendly outpost where travelers can pause, gather supplies, and sample local hospitality. The drive from Perth winds through sweeping farmland, salt lakes, and undulating bush, revealing the rugged beauty of Australia's interior. Upon arrival, the Visitors Centre provides detailed maps and helpful information on the region's geology, ecology, and history. Well-marked trails lead to the base of wave rock, where you can walk alongside its imposing facade, touch the cool, rough surface, and marvel at the interplay of light and shadow. Adventurous souls may trek up the gentle slope to the top, where panoramic views stretch across the wheat belt, and the vastness of the landscape becomes palpable. Camping is a popular way to immerse yourself in the serenity of the outback. Designated sites offer basic amenities, while the star-filled night sky provides a natural spectacle beyond compare. As evening falls, the air cools, and the sounds of nocturnal wildlife begin. Frogs croak in distant wetlands, and small possums rustle through the undergrowth. For those seeking a deeper connection, guided tours introduce the cultural heritage and ecological significance of the area. Local guides share stories of Dreamtime and the legends of Mulka, whose spirit is said to linger in the nearby cave. The tours often highlight the region's remarkable biodiversity, pointing out rare orchids, ancient banksia trees, and the subtle signs of wildlife. Food lovers will delight in Hyden's country bakeries and farm-fresh produce. Try a classic Australian meat pie or sample bush tucker inspired by indigenous traditions, such as wattleseed damper and kondong jam. Each meal is a reflection of the land's bounty and the ingenuity of those who call this region home. Wave Rock isn't just a geological wonder, it's a living classroom, an adventure playground, and a cultural treasure. The area is a haven for photographers, artists, and nature enthusiasts who find inspiration in its dramatic lines and ever-changing colors. Seasonal festivals celebrate local heritage with music, crafts, and storytelling, inviting visitors to become part of the community. As you explore, respect for the environment and its custodians is paramount. Take only memories, leave only footprints, and listen to the stories etched in stone and whispered by the wind. Every visit supports ongoing conservation efforts, ensuring that Wave Rock and its surroundings remain vibrant for generations to come. From the sweeping drone vistas to intimate close-ups of wildflowers and native creatures, this journey reveals the interconnectedness of geology, ecology, and culture. Each layer of rock, each ripple of water, and each song of the bush is a chapter in the unfolding story of Australia's natural heritage. If this adventure has sparked your curiosity and you're eager to uncover more of nature's secrets, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Science Meets Adventure, exploring nature's secret. Together, we'll continue to explore the planet's hidden wonders, unravel scientific mysteries, and celebrate the extraordinary beauty of our world. The next discovery awaits. Where will our adventure take us next?